Today, folks, we're gonna do the 10-minute, 1 minute, 10-second art challenge. Let's see how it goes. So hey, what's up everybody? My name's Tony. I'm a Tokyo-based artist and illustrator. Now, I've always wanted to try doing this 10-minute, 1 minute, 10-second challenge. And for some reason, I haven't had the courage to do so. And it just so happens that I have the time now that I can actually work on it. So hopefully, it'll get me them views. So I'm thinking this time we're gonna draw something from nature, and I don't know, I kind of want to draw a sea turtle. I don't know why. So we're gonna try to do this challenge. I don't know, it seems like it should be pretty fun. It should be pretty fun. Let's try it. And I was trying to think, what should we use to draw this? And I was thinking, let's use my hero, Kim Jung Gi's brush pen. If you haven't heard of Kim Jung Gi, he's an amazing artist and he draws a lot of cool stuff right off the dome. I don't know how he does it. I think it's magic, or he's a wizard, or a warlock, or something between the two. I don't know. It's bananas. But anyway, we'll be using brush pens today. I might do like a little bit of an underdrawing in a regular pencil or like a light pencil. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I honestly don't know what we're doing for this. So we're just gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. So, all right, let's do it. All right, so we got everything set up here. I guess we just get into it. All right, I think I'm gonna use a little pencil thingy first and then go from there. All right, I hope I'm recording. I better be recording. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Figure while using a brush pen, it'll give me more time to really kind of get down in there and make really cool like variations and details, but at the same time cover a lot of space. Not space, but all right, put the neck in here. It's coming along, I think. All right, that's enough time on that. Let's see if we can get some of these features in here now. But I'm happy, I think, with the general shape. All right, time to get the pen out. Using a brush pen, I think, will really help with the speed. The good thing about this challenge is it only takes 10 minutes. It's really easy to get lost in these things that get way too precious. And I think that's what's happening a little bit. Now I do see one mistake. I think their noses are a lot closer. We're at the 50% halfway point. Oh no! There's an old saying that, you know, in psychology, that you use up the amount of time that you're giving, and I'm totally doing that. Your brain kind of fills in the time, unfortunately, which is both a blessing and a curse sometimes. I'm being way too precious with it. Oh, okay. I gotta pick up the pace. Gotta pick up the pace. Uh-oh. Ooh, yay. Running out of time. Come on, Tony, you got this. Oh my God. Where did all the time go? Oh no. God. Oh man, 1 minute left. Gotta bring this thing home. That's the one good thing about these brush pens. You can really cover a lot of space relatively fast if you have to. Oh dear. All right, almost done. Time's up, and I need to take my timer. I need to take it off silent. Oh my God. All right, not too bad. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. It's a turtle. Oh man, but that was kind of fun. It was cool. All right, so that's our 10-minute version. All right, let's move on now to the 1 minute version. This is going to be more of a challenge. Now this, all right, we'll see how it goes. All right, let's go down to 1 minute. Okay, let's do this. 1 minute. All right, 3, 2. Oh, I'm not ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Get these eyes in here. Oh man, the pen. Oh, dang it. The brush tip is not the best right now. Come on. Come on. This is not fair. It's not, my brush is dying. Oh, come on. No. No, don't. Brush work. No. God dang it. Ah, damn it. That's not fair. The brush pen was broken. It's not. Dang it. Oh. Well, that's the 1 minute one. You know. What are you gonna do? Yes, folks. Always check your equipment before you start. So, lesson learned. All right, let's do 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! Ah, there you have it. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. You know? Not too bad. All right. Well, there you have it, folks. The 10-minute, 1 minute, 10-second challenge. First time doing this. This was kind of cool. I like this. This is fun. I'm going to do some more. I want to do more. Listen, if you know more that you want me to try to do, let me know in the comment section and let me know what you think about this. Also, if you do this yourself, send me a copy of it and we'll put it on our Twitters, on our Instagrams, our Facebooks, all that stuff. So yeah, hit me up. Let me know. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that like and subscribe and share it with some other people. You know, you get this all viral and whatnot. Yeah, let me know what you think. But yeah, so this is Tony. This was a 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second art challenge. And yeah, let's do more. All right. Bye-bye.